bedroom makeover part 2 mini edition. We're definitely gonna make it cuter and cozier in one day.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
Here is what she looks like when you come in. First things first, I want to change out the sheets, and I also want to change what's above the bed. I think she's cute, but I think we could do something a little different. And then, as you guys know, I started this film picture wall, and I have so many more film pictures, so I think I'm gonna see if it'll fill it up, but I don't think it's actually gonna fill it up, so we're just gonna see how far we can go, hopefully to here. If you watched my room makeover video, I made this little table. I really like it, but I think I'm gonna add in some different pots. I want to change these sheets, so I think I want to try and get a like plain white linen throw and then just like paint cute designs on it. I have another sheet set which is like this burnt orange color. We're gonna swap it. It's gonna be great. Let's go work out the DIYs and then pick up the DIY supplies.
Also, I was just looking at Sarah's sea monkeys, the coolest things ever. Sarah says what she wants to do, but I swear things change like 20 times.
Kind of true. Honestly, I don't even care. I just want it to be like cute, cozy, TikTok-y, Pinterest vibes.
When I was a kid, I would move my room around like every month, and I feel like that's
This was me when I was younger. I used to just like move the furniture in my room. That's what I would do. So it's just time for a change. Let's go, Kane! He's like, wow, I'm so happy you invited me over for this crap. Made it to the craft store. Fingers crossed we can get everything in one store.
If that happens, I think that'll be a first.
Colliding. Losing track, even God knows.
I want to make a macrame where I like put yarn on there on a wire ring. I really explained that so well. Try and find a wire ring. Okay, so this is what we need. I want one in a really big gold size, but I feel like we're gonna have to settle for silver because this is the biggest gold. It's not that big. Now we just need some warm toned yarn. Not sure how much this is because I think it's in the wrong pile, but we want her. I feel like we also need a little bit of like beige. This is what we're working on so far. Might swap out one of the oranges because they look the same on camera. You can't find anything. Ready, so we found a rug. It's this one right here. Y'all, Kane just threw it in the sky and it hit me in the eye and I'm literally crying. Actually so excited that we found it that he threw it in the freaking air and now my eye is watering.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
We found one. Found him.
Sarah actually found them at the far corner of the store.
Wow. We're back. I got my rug. I made this cushion in a DIY video ages ago, so I kind of want to recreate this, but on a rug and instead of on black, on white. We're gonna do an easier design because that one took me ages. Kind of realizing now that this video is not going to take one day, like I said earlier, but we are gonna finish it tomorrow. I went to 3 different stores looking for a rug like this. Hopefully I like it because I just ruined the whole tag. I'm just realizing that this is literally gonna take 4 freaking hours. I'm probably gonna do this and then like watch Vampire Diaries. So a few things could go wrong. Number 1, I stuffed this whole pattern up and ruined this beautiful white rug that I probably could have just used like this. Number 2, I ran out of ink and I can't even finish it today and it's kind of getting later in the day, so I'm not going back to the store to get another one, and then this is just like a flop. We're just gonna cross our fingers that neither of those things happen. This is the pattern that I'm going for. This is when you zoom in, okay?
Oh.
I tried really hard for like the first one, and then I just realized that there is no possible way that this is gonna be perfect on this rug because it's freaking huge and I don't want to be here till tomorrow. Didn't work out yesterday and my legs are so sore. Everybody, please send your wishes in the comment section. I feel like I may ruin this perfectly fine rug.
What's it on
I
me?
think I'm gonna have to get a new pen. Like, I just don't think it's gonna last this whole video. I think we're off to a rough start.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
I'm on the first row and I'm already tired.
Do you want me to calculate roughly how long it would take you?
Kane's gonna work out, if I do it at the speed that I'm doing it at right now, how long it will take me.
We go back, we go back, we go back.
First row complete. My legs are sore. Don't work out before this. Sorry for complaining about working out in every video. Honestly, it looks pretty good though. She says on the first row, so much could go wrong.
Even God knows
That looks really cool.
Woo! This was my idea. I love this. I stole the design off Pinterest, but this was my idea. I'm sure someone's done it before.
Do you want to know how long it'll take?
How long?
3 hours.
No! I'm gonna watch like a full-length movie, like freaking Lord of the Rings or something. Oh my god.
Open your sight and
Oh yeah.
That's speed.
Yes. There is actually a lot of speed happening here.
I feel like when I get too speedy though, it's like gonna end up in me ruining it.
That's when you call it abstract.
anymore. We go back, we go back, we losing track.
So it's been actual hours, but I'm still going. I think I haven't even finished half. This is my progress so far. Also, I'm filming a TikTok and watching Selena Gomez cook on YouTube. Kane is gone now, but he went and got me a new marker so I can keep going. So that's what we're doing. I have a feeling that I'm gonna be here for a while, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. I honestly have low energy, so sorry if you can tell. But that is probably because I spent 5 hours making this yesterday, but it's done. So I'm gonna change my sheets and see if this even suits the sheet set that I'm gonna use. I really hope it does, because otherwise I'm gonna cry. I just realized I have to get the sheets first. So these are the sheets. They're like this rusty orange kind of color. I got them from Target and they're so comfy.
Anymore.
Fun fact, putting sheets on the bed is literally my least favorite chore of all time because I feel like it's just a two-person job.
It's a shame you don't have anyone to help.
Kane's got a migraine today, so we're gonna let him off the hook.
We go back.
The only way to fluff a pillow.
You brought out the best in me.
So I finished up with the sheets. I honestly freaking love this set so much. I've been so comfortable with having just white sheets on my bed for literally the last 5 years, so it was kind of cute to switch it up, but she doesn't look like childish or anything. I don't know if y'all can relate, but every single time I buy any kind of colored sheet set, even if it's like a cutie one from Urban Outfitters, I feel literally like I have my childhood bedroom back, and it's just really not the vibe that I'm going for. But finally, we solved this problem. All I needed was a rusty orange sheet set. Anyway, I'm gonna put my Polaroid pictures up there. I have to put some glue tag.
Film pic.
Oh shoot. Guys, this is what Kane looks like. He feels sick.
I don't feel sick. I feel great.
Anyways, I gotta put some glue tack on the back of my film pics, and then we're gonna try and fill up this wall. Fingers crossed it's most of the wall at least. Here's my film pics. Some of these are actually Kane's because I wanted more. I got him to print out doubles with his pics as well. Don't mind the stains on my rug, but I have so many film pics. Normally, I just stick them up on my wall with blue tack. I think I might have just called that glue tack 2 seconds ago. Here is a pre-prepared plate of glue tack that Kane prepared for me because that's the kind of bestie pal he is.
And don't forget it.
Remember that one time that you guys all went hiking together and then you never did that again because everyone was complaining? That's how sore their bodies were.
Yeah, I didn't want to do that ever again.
I finished putting some blue tack on these pictures. I think I'm gonna start up here, which is the hardest part. I want to start down here, but I feel like we're just gonna get the hardest part out of the way first.
These days, we go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
I have finished the wall. She looks a little bit crazy up the top, but I honestly just don't care that much. I feel like it turned out super cute.
Not the lights for no reason. Was it a make believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for?
If you guys haven't watched my last videos about like my closet or my room makeover or something like that, this behind the curtain is actually my closet, and I feel like it frames it so nicely. Oh, it just looks so good. But this is my closet. I honestly have a lot of shame in the fact that it is day 3 of this video that I said I was gonna do in 24 hours.
See, it's 24 hours spaced over like a month, you know?
Well, like a week. But anyway, my grandma invited me to go drink some wine with her, so naturally I had to go do that. Do I have lipstick on my teeth?
First time I've ever known.
Love that! I'm super into terracotta right now. The color is just, it's just like trendy. It's just like Pinteresty and stuff. And also it kind of matches my sheet. But I didn't want to just put like some plain old-ish in my room. So we're gonna paint these. Look, I saw a photo on Pinterest that I was gonna replicate, and now I just have an idea in my brain. So I'm not even 100% sure if it's gonna work out. We'll see. Do you ever ask Siri to do something? And then when she does it, you're like, I didn't realize that she would do that.
Like what?
Apple didn't let you play Spotify with Siri.
Oh yeah, that
Well,
was
now
so
when I'm
annoying.
like, hey Siri, put on my September playlist, she puts it on and I'm like, love that. Spotify is superior to Apple Music.
Comment down below what you think. I'm on Apple Music, Sarah's on a Spotify.
Y'all, what are we on?
Apple Music mostly.
You're just on there because of Kane. My table is the most unsteady thing ever.
Got a broken wrist.
You've
after
done
that.
amazing. Couldn't have done it without you. Oh, she's
Good
lumpy as
chunky.
Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
How dare I plant a whole new plant right next to this guy who is not thriving and I literally just put him in that pot a month ago.
Got a couple crispies here.
I should probably read these instructions. Maybe if I start naming all of my plants after my friends, I will feel more of a connection to them. So like this one's Kane, gotta keep him alive. This one will be a holly.
Back, we collide.
Oh, I just dropped him.
Close it back, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous.
So I feel like this is kind of similar to something that I've already done on my channel before. We've definitely done this, right?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Like I'm making this like hang from here. Kane is so unaware of what this DIY is, but you'll get it in a second. I basically want to make a macrame where all of the stuff hangs from the inside. I'm not 100% sure how this is gonna work, but first things first, I'm gonna cut all of my pieces of yarn to length. This is definitely gonna have to have a voiceover because I really don't know what I'm doing right now. So as I figure it out, I'll tell you in the voiceover. Okay.
What's poppin'?
Okay, Kane is also here. Starting off, you want to make your yarn double the length of your ring.
Your circle.
Your wire ring. And you basically want to cut literally a bajillion pieces of yarn, like for real. Whatever you think you're gonna need, probably double it because it's a lot of pieces of yarn, y'all. Take it from here, Kane.
And then you just do this. We've got some visual cues. This is exactly what you do.
This
you
is
loop
not
it around.
helpful.
No,
What
but
do
like
you-
I can't say anything better than just you showing it. Like you've done it. Look at
my
that.
God.
It's perfect.
Sorry, guys.
If you're not sure, watch the video.
I'm trying. Dangerous.
Wow! You did such a great job of holding that, pal.
Thank you. I worked out for a week to do that.
These days, we go back, we go back, we go back, we collide.
This is great. Video skills, pal. I got my hair done since the last time you guys saw a clip in this video, so I look different. Since I last showed my sea monkeys in this video, literally all of them have passed away.
Moment of
So,
silence.
yeah.
Here's a little
I-
compilation.
But look at them, they're so happy. But this is very fall vibes, but I feel like fall is trendy now. Halloween has passed, so it's basically Christmas. So I'm probably gonna redo this room in 2 weeks for Christmas anyway. So let me know if you guys wanna see that. And also let me know what other Christmas videos you guys wanna see, because I love filming Christmas stuff. Also, I would love it if you guys gave this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new and you aren't subscribed. And if you do wanna see my videos, make sure to hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss them, because I feel like YouTube's a little whack sometimes, so I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeover. See ya.